Hi, this is Esther from Cemantica. I'm sure you're pretty excited today to discover how you can set up some KPI inside your Cemantica journey map. Let's go for it. All right, we are on a Cemantica map. So you can see here the different stages that I've built. I have my KPI swim lane here that I'm going to open. I have set up already some KPI at different stage of the journey. All right, so let's build one. All right, so you go here on KPI, then you have a list of KPI appearing. Of course, this list is completely customizable according to your organization. I'm going to choose here the number of clicks. All right, let's go for it. Here we go. We have a template. So you can add a description here. So the first thing you can do is to set up the current value, the target, the date, and the label. So the current value is, for example, how many clicks did that generated, let's say in August, right? So the current value in August was 100 clicks generated. The target was 200, and the label, I can say it was on product one. All right. Then I can add a row, and the current number of clicks on this row can be 200. But then my target was 400. It was in September, and it was on product one and two. So you can see that you can add as many rows as you wish. You can also upload an Excel directly. So you click here, you can download the template from Cemantica and then go and import, the Excel like this. Then you import. Here you go. You have all the different data that appear here from your Excel. Another way to do it is to directly plug actually your KPI to your source. So it could be your CRM via a connector, and then all the information will be updated in real time. The ultimate goal, of course, is to calculate the financial impact. So here you can enter it manually, or you can auto calculate it with Alex or AI assistants. Then what else? You can have different type of visualization. So you can see here, I have the bar, I have a cycle with a percentage here, etc. All right. So one last thing also, you can see on top of the journey that you have different type of metrics, and you have your KPI also here listed, and you can see all of them here in the list. If you want to have more information about the KPI, you can always go on our website, cemantica.com, or you can contact us at info@cemantica.com. Thank you. Have a great day. Bye bye.